With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. Our question is given as two satellites revolve around the sun as shown in the figure. Okay, so two satellites are revolving. First satellite revolves in a circular orbit of radius r with a speed v. So this is a first orbit of the first satellite, which is circular in shape, and its speed is v1 and its radius is r. Second satellite revolves in elliptical orbit. So this orbit is of the orbit of the second satellite, which is an ellipse shape, which minimum and maximum distance from the sun is r by 3 and 5r by 3 respectively. Velocities at this position is v2 and v3. Okay, when the distance of the second satellite is at r by 3, its velocity is v2, and when the distance is 5r by 3, its velocity is v3. Then the correct order of speed. We need to find the correct order of speed. Here, 4 options of the comparison of the velocities of the 3 situations are given. Okay, first we can analyze about the first satellite. For first satellite, it is mentioned that the orbit is circular. Orbit is circular. So we need to equate the forces. What is the forces here? The gravitational force Gmm by radius is r. So Gmm by r square is equal to, since the motion is circular, we need to equate the centripetal force, which is mv1 is the velocity mv1 square divided by r. So we can cancel one radius. Therefore, v1 square is equal to, we can cancel the mass. It is Gm by r, or v1 is equal to root of Gm divided by r. So this is the equation for the velocity of the satellite, which is orbiting in a circular path. Next we can check the second orbit. For the second satellite, it is mentioned orbit is elliptical. Orbit is elliptical. So for elliptical orbit, we need to use conservation of angular momentum. Conservation of angular momentum. Okay, conservation of angular momentum. Considering the conservation of angular momentum, okay, our equation becomes, what is the initial position? The minimum position is given by, position is r by 3, and final maximum position is given by 5r by 3. So what is the equation for angular momentum? mvr. So m into v2 into r by 3 equal to m into v3 into 5r by 3. This is the radius of the minimum case. This is the radius of the maximum case. So we can cancel r by 3, mm. Therefore, V2 is equal to 5V3. Let it be equation number 1, relation between V2 and V3. Now, we need to apply conservation of energy. Apply conservation of energy. At both position, conservation of energy. On applying the conservation of energy, we get, what is the potential energy? Minus Gmm at r by 3 plus, what is the kinetic energy? Half mv2 square is equal to potential energy as the maximum point minus Gmm by 5r by 3 plus half mv3 square. Now we can substitute, what is the value of V2? It is 5V3. We can substitute, so minus Gm by r, I am putting this 3 numerator, plus 1 by 2 m into, what is V2 is 5V3. So V2 square is 25V3 square equal to, I am putting this 3 numerator, minus Gmm by 5r plus 1 by 2 m V3 square. Now we can solve this equation for V3. Okay, that is minus 3 Gmm by r. I am putting this term into the LHS. So plus 3 Gmm by 5R equal to 1 by 2m V3 square. I am putting the second term to R, is minus 1 by 2m 25 V3 square. Okay, I am putting common, that is GMM, 3GMM by R is taken as common. So minus 1 plus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 2 MV3 square is common. So 1 minus 25. On calculating, we get here minus, on finding the LCM, it is minus 4 by 5. So I get the value as minus 12, 3 into 4, 12 GMM by 5R equal to, here 1 minus 25 is minus 24, minus 24 MV3 square divided by 2. Here M cancelled, negative sign cancelled. What is 24 by 2? It is 12, then 12 cancel. Therefore, V3 square is equal to GM divided by 5R, or V3 is equal to root of GM by 5R. So we get V3. Then what is V2? V2 is equal to 5V3, which is equal to 5 into root of GM by 5R. So which is equal to root of 25 GM by 5R is equal to root of 5 GM by R. So we get the values of V1, V2 and V3. I am writing all the three values. So V1 is equal to root of GM by R. V2 is equal to root of 5GM divided by R, and V3 is equal to root of GM divided by 5R. Comparing this, V2 is the highest one. V2 is greater than V1, which is greater than V3. So this is our order. V2 is the highest velocity, which is greater than V1, lowest is V3. So V2 greater than V1, greater than V3. So option C is the correct answer. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.